Rolling from McMinnville, Tennessee. We got a 90 model 318. I'm the second owner. It's got about 520 original hours. I've got a 92 430. She's got about 1,200 hours.
Alrighty. What about you, Jim? You want to tell us about yours, Jim?
Oh, yeah. I'm Jim Brown. It's 317. I think it's about a 76 model.
Okay.
Stewart Mann, it's a 1986 430. It's got 974 hours.
Okay.
Jeff Rickman, 430, 80 model.
Right here we have Mr. Long's 982 Cub Cadet. What model is that?
It's I can't remember what year 982 it is, but it's the last year that International made the 982 itself. But it's a true International.
Okay.
88 1572.
All right.
This is my 430.
Robert Webb, Alabaster, Alabama, 430, 93 model, I think.
I believe it's a 91. The reason I know that is because I had it. It used to be mine, and it's a very good tractor. This is my tractor. I'm Drew Gardner from Hyde, Alabama, and it's a 1986 John Deere 330. These were made in 1 year.
Alabaster, Alabama, and I'm driving a 67 112.
67 112 round fender.
AJ Cannon from Covington, Georgia, 1998 322, and go dogs.
Heck yeah.
Bob Buck in Knoxville, Tennessee, 91 332. He's still on Plow, Drew.
That's right. That used to be one of mine also. Bought that tractor here locally and sold it to Mr. Boken, and it was a very good machine.
Hey, my name's Dan. This is my 318 from Atlanta, Georgia. Hey, my name's Larry Allen. I'm from Allen, Crossroads, Alabama. This is a 1970 patio tractor. I've got the green hood on it and still a yellow hood, and that's what I'm going to be plowing with.
It's a nice tractor. A lot of these guys on Weekend Freedom Machines, of course, they too love these little patio tractors.
Justin Carter, 300 John Deere. I'm from Knoxville, Alabama.
Hang on, I don't know if we can hear or not, but let that tractor get away. Now go ahead.
Well, Payne from Ardmore, Tennessee. Got a Cub Cadet 73, 149 and a 109, and a David Brandon.
Some good looking machines there. Very good looking machine. I believe this is Mr. Todd's 882 diesel, Cub Cadet diesel. What you got here, Cliff? Tell us this one again.
1952 David Bradley.
52 David Bradley, and that's an 8-inch plow? 6 inch.
I think 6.
Okay.
Steve Coulter, Nashville, Tennessee. I've got a 1982 CCC 782 and a 1979 1450.
Okay. Tell us about yours.
Hey, take Johnson, Smith, Derek Horton, 149, Cub, International Cub Cadet. Gardner Plow from Mr. Drew, my friend Drew Gardner.
Well, all right, guys. That's our lineup today. I believe we got about 24 tractors here, and you'll see some more videos shortly of what we've been doing and what we've got plowed. We've already got a little strip plow we plowed last night, and anyway, we're about to get started here. We got some bigger tractors watching. I believe we got a little Cub over there. Got my 51 Super C and 806 a full bottom plow, and hope to have an H here shortly. All right, guys.